What it is Metaverse President Dr. Kemp 007. We coming at you today with some RobinHood 101, investing basics. We just going briefly over what the stock market is and how to make your first trade. And when I say what the stock market is, we talking about mainly what are shares and options. Shares are a lower risk investment method, a safer investment. I mean, you got tons of companies: Apple, Tesla, Meta, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, Ford, Nike. The list goes on and on. Long list of reputable companies that you can buy shares in, which are essentially just units of ownership within the company. Some companies have millions, some have billions, and some company shares are as low as an eighth of a penny, and some shares are as high as, I don't even know, $70,000, $80,000 and more. So shares, by owning them though, you are opening yourself up for the possibility of receiving gains by the company going up in value and also receiving dividends. Dividends can be paid monthly, but for the most part, we see them paid quarterly. Some companies even pay them only once a year. When it comes to option contracts, we talk about bigger profit, bigger losses, faster profit, faster losses. You got to watch your phone or your computer screen much faster, much harder, much more intention, much more focus, much everything. Everything is just moving faster, and it's like your money is on the line. So it's very nerve-wracking and intense. But there are ways to do it where it's a little safer, where you're paying attention to your expiration date and you're putting it out further. The further you put your expiration date out, the more peace you can sleep with. The closer in the money you buy your contracts, the more peace you can sleep with. When you're buying these contracts, the two ways to buy the contracts are buying calls or buying puts. I mean, there's other options, but we're keeping this basic. As long as you can understand buying a call is betting to go up and buying a put is betting to go down, you're going to be good. Options contracts, the contracts themselves represent the ability to buy 100 shares at a specific price on a specific day. So that can be as good as buying a stock that's going for $100 for $10 because you bought the contract so long ago, or you're selling a stock for $100 that's only going for $10 right now because you bought the contract so long ago. Regardless of what you did, whether you bet to go up or go down, the call is the function that you're using for betting to go up, and the put is the function that you're using for betting to go down. And I'll briefly explain that in this little RobinHood tutorial that I got on the next slide. All right, we're going to go through a quick tutorial on using RobinHood. So when you sign up for RobinHood, first of all, you're going to make sure, let's see what I got on my profile on here. All right, so on my profile, got some basic information. I mean, this stuff doesn't matter too much. If you want options enabled, you're going to have to say you got a little bit more options trading than just, I don't know, they changed the settings up, but you got to say that you got more options trading. And they going to question you on it, so you better know what you're talking about. But, yeah, as far as entering a position, I mean, it's not too hard. Let's just go to something random, or you could search it from the main page. Let's say Apple. So you would type in the stock symbol or the ticker, whatever you want to call it, Apple. Okay, you'd go to trade, buy, type in the amount you'd like to buy, and it's self-explanatory after that. When you're going into options, just like we said, I mean, you got an expiration date, so that's what's across the top. If you want something long-term, obviously you go further out. If you want something short-term, you go closer in. As you can see with the prices, short-term options cost a lot less than the long-term. The long-term for this 240 put is $3,065 for one contract. However, the short-term $240 put, $645, much cheaper. But yeah, buying put, you know, you banking on the price to go down. Buying a call, you banking on the price to go up. I mean, really, as long as you understand that concept, buy a call is betting up, buying a put is betting down. You understand that there are different dates, then I mean, essentially you should be able to look at these prices and understand if I'm buying a 235 put and it's at 233 right now, that means I'm buying this contract hoping that the price is gonna go down and I can sell this for a profit. You don't even gotta focus on that thing about all that much. Just know buying a call is up, buying a put is down. You got dates across the top. You pick a date that makes sense for you, or for at least for your prediction. And that's pretty much Robinhood, man. The more you play with it, the more you're gonna learn. As always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment any stocks and strategies you think I missed that are good for beginners. Dr. Kemp 007, Metaverse President, signing out.
Meditating on the money, I hear money counters. 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 Milk and honey, let it flow so much that I can't count it. I'ma spread it cause I can't take it when I go with me. Financially abundant, let it fall on me. To be honest, I can hear the money calling me. I'm in my zone, so all I ask is you don't bother me. I get a check, all due respect, break bread accordingly. I know them spirits all around me, making sure I eat. Sunshine, good times, more life, it's a new day. Create vibes, materialize your every dream today. Close your eyes, visualize and start to drift away. Yesterday is yesterday, you in a better space. Generate a passive income, make it work for me. You're not a wannabe, you can be what you wanna be. I'm lit like gasoline, cause my finances guaranteed. I wake up, smile every day, I know I'm where I'm supposed to be. Meditating on the money, I hear money counters. 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 Milk and honey, let it flow so much that I can't count it.